Does ServiceTitan integrate with NetSuite? You're a growing service business, juggling a mountain of customer data, invoices, and scheduling nightmares. You're looking for a powerful solution to streamline operations and boost efficiency. And you've heard whispers about ServiceTitan and NetSuite, two titans in their respective fields. But do they play well together? Let's dive deep into the world of ServiceTitan and NetSuite integration, exploring the potential benefits, challenges, and ultimately, whether this dynamic duo can truly revolutionize your business. The ServiceTitan story. ServiceTitan is a comprehensive software platform designed specifically for home and commercial service businesses. Think plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and more. It's a powerhouse, offering a suite of tools that cover the entire service lifecycle. Scheduling and dispatch. Say goodbye to double bookings and missed appointments. ServiceTitan optimizes scheduling, routes technicians efficiently, and even provides real-time GPS tracking. Customer Relationship Management, CRM, builds stronger customer relationships with a centralized hub for all customer information, communication history, and service requests. Project Management, streamline complex projects with features like automated proposals, change orders, and progress tracking. Inventory Management, keep track of parts, equipment, and inventory levels, minimizing downtime and ensuring you always have what you need. Financial Management, generate professional invoices, track expenses, and gain valuable insights into your business's financial health. The NetSuite powerhouse. NetSuite, on the other hand, is a leading cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) system. It's a robust platform that provides a comprehensive view of your entire business, from financials and accounting to inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer relationship management. Key features of NetSuite include financial management, robust accounting features, including accounts receivable, accounts payable, general ledger, and financial reporting. Order management, streamline the order-to-cash cycle with features like order entry, inventory management, and order fulfillment. Customer relationship management, CRM, manage customer interactions, track sales opportunities, and build stronger customer relationships. Supply chain management, optimize your supply chain with features like inventory management, procurement, and vendor management. E-commerce, sell products and services online with a fully integrated e-commerce platform. The integration question, a match made in heaven? So, can these two industry leaders play nice? The short answer is it depends. Potential benefits of integration. Streamlined operations. By integrating ServiceTitan with NetSuite, you can automate data flow between the two systems. This eliminates manual data entry, reduces the risk of errors, and saves valuable time. Improved efficiency. Imagine a seamless workflow where customer information, service appointments, and invoices are automatically synced between ServiceTitan and NetSuite. This can significantly improve operational efficiency and free up your team to focus on more important tasks. Enhanced visibility. Gain a 360-degree view of your business by combining the operational data from ServiceTitan with the financial and accounting data from NetSuite. This provides valuable insights into your business performance and helps you make data-driven decisions. Better customer experience. With integrated systems, you can provide a more seamless and personalized customer experience. For example, customer information can be easily accessed by both service technicians and sales representatives, ensuring a consistent and positive experience. Challenges and considerations. Integration complexity. Integrating two complex systems like ServiceTitan and NetSuite can be technically challenging. It may require significant IT resources and expertise to ensure a smooth and successful integration. Customization needs. The level of customization required for a successful integration will vary depending on your specific business needs and processes. This can impact the cost and complexity of the integration project. Data mapping. Accurately mapping data fields between ServiceTitan and NetSuite is crucial for a successful integration. This requires careful planning and execution to ensure data integrity and avoid errors. Cost. Integrating two enterprise-level systems like ServiceTitan and NetSuite can be a significant investment. You need to consider the costs of implementation, ongoing maintenance, and potential customizations. Finding the right integration solution. Evaluate your business needs. Before embarking on an integration project, carefully evaluate your specific business needs and objectives. What are your pain points? How can ServiceTitan and NetSuite integration help you address these challenges? Explore integration options. Research different integration methods, such as API integrations, middleware solutions, or pre-built connectors. Choose a reliable integration partner. Select a qualified integration partner with experience in integrating ServiceTitan and NetSuite. Thorough testing. Conduct rigorous testing throughout the integration process to ensure data accuracy, system stability, and overall performance. Alternatives to direct integration. If a full-scale integration seems daunting, consider these alternatives. Manual data entry, with minimal effort. For businesses with smaller volumes, manual data entry might be a viable, though less efficient, option. Spreadsheet solutions. Utilize spreadsheets to manually transfer data between ServiceTitan and NetSuite. This can be a temporary solution or for businesses with limited integration needs. Third-party integration tools. Explore third-party integration tools that can help streamline data exchange between ServiceTitan and NetSuite. These tools can often provide a more cost-effective and easier-to-manage solution. Making the decision. Ultimately, the decision of whether to integrate ServiceTitan with NetSuite depends on your specific business needs, budget, and resources. If you're a high-growth business with complex operational requirements and a significant investment in both platforms, a full-scale integration could be a valuable investment. If you have limited resources or simpler integration needs, exploring alternative solutions like third-party tools or manual data entry might be more appropriate. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.